Hi kabayan, this is about mortgage-free financing. Alam mo ba na pwede mong gawing mas magaan ang mga monthly payments mo on mortgage and other debts? If you currently have a home mortgage, mortgage refinancing might be a smart option for you. Sa refinancing, you can lower your combined interest expense on mortgage, credit cards, and other debts. Reduce your monthly payments or even access equity from your home. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong gamitin ang home equity and extra cash for debt consolidation, home renovation, business, or investment, while simplifying your finances into one manageable payments. Maraming homeowners na nagbabayad pa rin ng mataas na interest rate on mortgage, credit cards, and other debts dahil hindi nila alam na may better option available via refinancing of your home mortgage. Libre lang ang consultation. I'll review your mortgage to see kung may savings opportunity ka or equity on your home mortgage. If you want na know kung qualified ka for mortgage-free financing, message me today. Let your home work for you, not against you. Salamat.